everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're going to be doing a really pretty set of spring nails. So it's going to be really simple to do, yet really pretty. So the first color that I'm using is in the color Bubble Bath by OPI. As you guys know, I love this color, my clients love this color because it's just the perfect shade of light pink. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on every nail, and then of course curing each coat for 30 seconds and then coming back and doing a second coat. Again, this is in the color Bubble Bath by OPI, and it is a gel polish. Alrighty, and then remember, something that I do to make sure that the gel polish does not take away from my shape is just coming back after I finish cleaning around the cuticle area and just gently tapping the sides of the nails. Not necessarily removing the gel polish, but just making sure that we have that perfect shape that we want, or at least to keep it. So as you can see, I'm just tapping the sides, and again, I'm not taking the polish off. I'm just making sure that it's really straight on the sides and not curved around it, because that's how it takes away from your shape. So again, we're just doing the second coat on this hand as well. When we're done, we're going to clean around the cuticle area and then tapping the sides to be able to keep that perfect shape. And then of course curing this hand for another 30 seconds as well. Alrighty, so after we finish applying the second coat and curing for 30 seconds, I'm going in with the other colors. So I have Fuchsia Touch and Green Springs by D&D. I'm also using Blood Orange, Neon Sun, Mimosa, all by Madam Glam. And of course, I do have a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave that down in the description. So now I'm going in with a small nail art brush, and I had these on my website, which is www.getnailed32, and there's still a few items on there if you would like to order. And we're just outlining the tip of the nail. So as you can see, first I outlined the free edge, and then now I'm just outlining the sides, making sure that we're not applying the gel polish too thick. And then afterwards we are going to come back and just clean it up just a little bit, that way it doesn't take away from our shape either. So again, we're just using the small nail art brush, we dip it into the gel polish, and we just outline the sides and the free edge of the nail, and we're going to do a different color on each nail. So as you can see, it's really nice and simple. So we did the 2 coats of the bubble bath, and then now we're just outlining the tips in different colors. Alrighty, so we're on the last finger on this hand, and again we're just outlining the sides, and then you can make your lines as thick or narrow as you would like. You could even do it like in a triangle shape. That's really cute also, but we're just doing just straight across at the free edge and then on the sides. And we're gonna just switch it up on this hand, and we're gonna do the opposite. So we're gonna start on the pinky with the color Neon Sun, which is by Madam Glam. Alrighty, so now I'm just cleaning up the edges, that way it doesn't take away from our shape. And after that, we're going to go in and do our IBD gel top coat. So as you've seen, I only did 1 coat of the polish on the edges because, of course, since I'm applying it with the nail art brush, it's going on, you know, fairly thick to where we don't have to go back and apply a second coat, of course. So again, this is the IBD gel top coat, and once we apply it on each hand, we're going to be curing each hand for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out so pretty. Those colors went so well together, and that base of bubble bath is just so flawless. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at GetNailed32, and I will see you guys next time.